Hi, I'm Aiman, and welcome back to another personal gardening vlog. And in today's video, we're here at Glendale's, the nursery, so that we can get some plants. Today it is April 25th, so it's quite a while before we plant on Mother's Day. But we're here early, and as you can see, there's a ton of plants here. Right now, we're actually in the vegetables tent. And as you can see, if these are the vegetables, I wonder what the actual flowers are like. Just kidding. These are actually flowers, but I guess they mislabeled this tent. But anyway, let's go around and see what Glendale's has to offer. So we're here today to pick up some plants for my mom because we start planting on Mother's Day.
Jetstar. Ada tak? Ambil belum Jetstar? Nope. Okay.
No. But I'm also here to pick up some plants for my school because I'm in my school's gardening club. Who would have thought? And I'm here to get some peppers and some nice flowers that we can plant in those big planter boxes in front of ESUMS, which is the Engineering and Science University Magnet School. And maybe when we plant, I'll take a video of it. This time it's not going to have my dad doing the camera work. Oh, not have a mysterious person doing the camera work. It's going to be me holding the camera. But hopefully we'll show you how cool it is to be with the ESUMS Gardening Club. Right now I'm looking at the flowers. This is an actual dedicated geranium greenhouse as opposed to that vegetable greenhouse over there, which had flowers at the beginning and then a small patch of lettuce in the back. But as you can see, very beautiful. Alright, so we're in the flower greenhouse. This is the fully dedicated to flowers. And I'm trying to wonder what kind of flowers should we plant at ESUMS? Because I was thinking of planting some of our knockout roses, but then I was talking to my dad and he said that they're very thorny. So we might have to think about that factor. People might get hurt while tending to them. And also we also have to think about where we grow them while we're growing them. Because some plants grow differently. Some grow upright and some grow horizontally. So you have to think about how the flowers grow when you're going to plant them. So you got things like this one, according to my dad, very popular. You also got the classic geraniums, but we're looking for perennial flowers, and according to my dad, whenever he plants geraniums, they never grow back. And then I guess these are just more geraniums, even though geraniums have their own dedicated greenhouse. Then you have the more assorted plants like Super Bell lemon slices. That's cool. I've never seen flowers named this. Huh. I think you have many cool flowers to choose from in this greenhouse. I don't know what to pick. I think I might pick from school colors like blue, white, and yellow. That'd be cool, right? Alright, so a few things. Apparently this has this greenhouse is a special greenhouse. It has all the plants that they want to feature. So if we returned here next week, they would have different plants because they want to feature that. Right now they have flowers because that's everything that they have. But when they have more vegetables, then they're going to showcase them in this greenhouse. Also, I was talking to my dad, and apparently this early, the second to last week of April, is probably not the best time to, not probably, but it generally isn't the best time to plant vegetables in Connecticut, because everything frost. But we're actually planting vegetables next Wednesday, which is in 4 days at my school. So my dad was wondering why, if we're planting a bit too early. So I'm going to talk to my gardening teacher about that, and maybe we might end up planting the vegetables a bit later. But for now, pretty much all you can plant is flowers. So we're going to see how that goes, and I'll let you know. But my mom was saying that petunias might be a good idea to plant. So we'll see later. Alright, so this is what we got. I got some peppers. Very cool. We got some habanero. Actually, we've never planted habanero before because it's very spicy. We got some more peppers. I got white eggplant, which apparently you've never tried. Tons of tomatoes. We're actually going to go back probably after Mother's Day or around Mother's Day because it's a bit too early in the season, as I was saying before. And also going to talk to my teacher about planting it a bit early. I do have a lot more to learn about gardening because we're getting plants a bit too early, and I only just found out now that you can't get plants too early. I always knew about the thing about Mother's Day and Father's Day where you plant during Mother's Day and a growing season ends around Father's Day, but like I said, I have a lot to learn. But for now, these are what I have for my gardening club, and I'll let you know how it goes. So, I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the gardening vlogs. I have some videos on Filanowski and Glendale Nurseries if you want to check them out. I think we've done like 2 or 3 videos on them in the past, so go check them out, and I'll see you there. But for now, signing out.